Hi, this is Dr. Traci K, and I wanted to introduce you to one of my new books and programs called the Self-Esteem Reprogramming. And it has a book plus a full program that you can check out. It is about how to become a better version of yourself. I just got done with my yoga, my spiritual meditation, so I'm in my little yoga outfit right now. But couldn't wait because I wanted to tell you about this, and it's great because the book is just amazing. It gives you some amazing energy medicine techniques. It actually gives you stuff so you can test yourself. Gives you fun little journaling worksheets and practices to go over, and it's amazing. You'll enjoy it. It helps you to get going on just become a better version of yourself and really start working on that spiritual fitness. And then if you want to dive even deeper, you can go do the full program. The full program is amazing because it has the full audio steps and sessions that come with it to automatically start reprogramming so you can start working on your practice and really becoming the best version of yourself. It's amazing, and I can't wait for you to get started on it. And you need to go claim it, you guys. So good. And if you want to get a sneak peek of a chapter in the book, you can check it out on Amazon. So again, I love it when you come and share your practice with me. Light and love to you. Now go claim it.